Hi, Bruce here to show Mac users how to install Git and GitHub on their Macintosh. So I am at the desktop.github.com URL, desktop.github.com URL, and you can see here it says download GitHub Desktop. So I'm just going to click on that. It's going to download the software right here in the lower left-hand corner. I'm in Chrome. And it's going to launch it here. It's going to bring up the zip file. And just know on the Mac that when you download GitHub Desktop, it downloads an app file. And there's no installation process as soon as it launches. As you can see right here, here is GitHub Desktop. And I'm going to drag that to my applications folder, which you should probably do. And then in the applications folder, I'm going to find GitHub Desktop and just bring it down on my dock because you're going to find that you're going to use it a lot. Okay? So I am just going to close all of these windows, close iTunes. Okay? And now I'm going to launch from my dock GitHub Desktop. Okay, it's launching. And just so you know, before you launch this, you would have needed to sign up on GitHub with an account because you're going to need that information when you initially launch GitHub Desktop. The other thing to know is that we're going to first start off using Git from a terminal window on the Mac or from a command window on a PC, okay, from a DOS window. Okay, I'm just going to open this up. So just be aware of that. We'll be installing GitHub Desktop, but we're going to start off learning Git from the command line. Okay, and note that I say Git and GitHub, and we'll talk more about that. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so it's welcoming you to the program, and I'm going to hit continue. Whoops, it says login required. So you're going to need the information that you signed up for GitHub with, okay? Because this is GitHub Desktop, okay? And I'm going to type in my username and password. It's a little early in the morning here, so I am going to log in. Sign in, log in, same thing, right? I'm just going to wait for that. And notice it picks up my avatar and such from github.com. And now I can go to General and make any other changes. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to close this window now. And I'm going to hit Continue. Okay? And Continue again. And now it's going to ask for what we call the Git Config Information. This is information that's going to be stamped on the things you do in Git and GitHub. So I have my name and my email address. And on the Mac, you want to install the command line tools. Okay, you need to click on that button right there. Okay, and I'm going to type in my password. And it says the tools have been installed. Okay, I'm going to click OK and then click on Continue. Now it's going to go out to GitHub, and you should see nothing here if you don't have any repositories. And I could choose to add some of the ones that it found on GitHub to my installation here, but I'm just going to bypass that right now and hit Done. And this is GitHub Desktop. Okay, and the initial thing that comes up here is this tour. With a sample, what we call repo of called tutorial. So if you get this far, you're good. Okay, I want you to get this far and just have GitHub Desktop installed. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know.